This is a quick 70-second video explaining to you how to add a polygon, how to edit that polygon with colors and names, how to add another polygon and then add them both to a folder so you can email them off or save somewhere on your computer. Step 1, click on add polygon, indicate the area you want outlined, you can change the name. By clicking on style color, you change your lines, the width of those lines even, and if you want it outlined only. To add another polygon, repeat the same process. Changing colors fairly straightforward now. Click on OK. Now you've got two polygons and you want them to be appearing in one folder. Click on add folder, drag and drop the polygons in, and you're good to go. From here, right click, save place as, or you can email. And that's as complicated as it is. Good luck.